Welcome to the trailer of our latest children's drawing tutorial video. Today we'll explore a colorful world of drawings together. Let's take a look at these adorable artworks. First, we have a gentle lion. Its eyes closed as if dreaming a beautiful dream. Can you see the pretty curly patterns on its mane? Next, we arrive at a mountain cabin in the rain, with snow-covered peaks and colorful raindrops creating a beautiful landscape. Then we have a lively little bee dancing happily on a big flower, with a smile full of joy. After that, we meet the lovely Snow White, holding a red apple and looking forward to a wonderful story. In this picture, two bees are flying among the flowers, and the colorful blooms look full of life. In the bamboo forest, we see a scene of green tranquility, with bamboo and leaves outlining a fresh natural view. Next, we have the familiar Doraemon, waving and smiling brightly to greet us. The three little birds on the branch are also interesting. They have different postures and vibrant colors, making for a happy family. We come to a beach where coconut trees, beach toys, and the sea create a fun-filled vacation spot. The smiling sun seems to invite everyone to come and play. We see a row of dreamy tree houses. Each tree has unique patterns and colors. Kids will definitely love these wonderful little houses. Next is a beautiful pastoral scene, with the sun smiling behind the mountains, white clouds floating in the sky, and trees neatly arranged, giving us a sense of nature's tranquility and beauty. Then let's take a look at this small farmhouse. The colorful fields stretch into the distance like a rainbow, sparking endless imagination. We will also enjoy a spring scene, with pink flowers filling the entire picture and ducklings swimming in the pond. Everything looks so lively. Next is a cute little giraffe, with a long neck and a big smile, making you want to play with it. Look at this artistic vase, with its rich colors and patterns showcasing endless creativity. It's a great inspiration for drawing. Finally, we have a warm picture of a pair of pink mittens with yellow flower patterns, as if telling us that winter can also be warm and beautiful. We hope these drawings will bring you endless creative inspiration. Pick up your pens and join us in the wonderful world of drawing. Through these colorful artworks, we will learn how to draw fun sketches together. Let's enjoy the fun of drawing in this video. Unleash your imagination and create your own artwork.
Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.